We're going to see bouncers and Yorkers and nothing else, I think, from Amir. Starts with a short ball. Lamachani anticipates it, gets more than enough of it to get 4. Maybe too predictable. Sandeep's going to have some fun here, and every run could be critical.
Yes, he just lined the short ball up. Sandeep Lamachani, he knew he was going to get a short ball. He just waited for it, just moved his front foot away from his body, and look at that. A clean hit over mid-on. The mid-on fielder is inside the circle. A big gap there. He's changing his angle now, coming over the wicket.
Lamachani gets that through. Past one fielder, past 2. That's going to be 4. The loudest cheer of the day. It's reserved for one of Nepal's favourite sons. Sandeep Lamachani gets to double figures. Every run really a bonus here for Monty Desai and his men.
Yes, this was hit very interestingly. And look at the football skills trying to be shown by Qatar, but was not able to do so. A much needed boundary for Nepal. Moves to 124. Look at Ikramullah there, trying some of his football skills, but was not good.
Guided away. There's pace on that ball. It's going to be back-to-back boundaries.
That was well timed by Sandeep Lamachani. A straight shot for 4 runs towards the side screen. A valiant effort by the fielder down to long off, but couldn't stop the boundary. Zahir Ibrahim, the fielder, in that occasion, it was hit dead straight by Sandeep Lamachani. Look at this effort. Again, tries some football skills by Ibrahim. A good shot by Sandeep Lamachani. Look at Bashan Shai, the assistant coach of Nepal. That was cracked behind square. A boundary, a much needed boundary for Sandeep and Nepal team. Moves to 30 of 36 now, Sandeep. That was slashed on the offside. The fielder there, diving effort, but couldn't make it. Another boundary for Sandeep Lamachani. What a cracking shot on the off stump. Look at the cheers from the dressing room. He's playing a blinder for his team, Sandeep Lamachani.
Look at the wit he got and made full use of it. Just running away. Good diving effort there in the deep. That was slashed away nicely. That's the shot he plays well. Makes room outside the off stump.
Side the line. Oh, spreading up. Was that an edge? Yes, it was. 3rd wicket down for Qatar. What a magical ball by him. Sandeep Lamachani picks his 1st wicket of this match. I don't think Ibrahim was pretty pleased with the decision there.
The crowd are on their feet. Yeah, that turned, that jumped, and a nice catch taken by Arif. Big appeal, and it was given. It will be an interesting replay whether it came off the bat or the thigh pad. But yeah, it's given out. You could see the excitement of the players, and Zahir goes for 15.
Might have just the toppy. Oh, got him! Sandeep Lamachani. He should have had him caught it for a slip. He's got him stumped now, and Qatar are being blitzed away. The perfect leg break. Asif Sheikh reads it too, and I think there might be a few words going on, because Mohammad Rizlan, well, he gave the Nepali batters loads, and maybe just a few quiet ones back there.
Mohammad Rizlan, he goes for 4. Qatar are 41 for 6.
Full, straight, gone. Nothing that Kuram Shahzad could do about that. They're dancing in the background, and the Nepali flags, they are flying. It's a slightly quicker leg break from Lamachani. It's maybe kept a bit low. He's got trapped on the crease. Sandeep has 3. I think he's thinking of 5.
Yes, this was a bit flatter through the air, plumb in front. Easy decision for the umpire. Sandeep Lamichan didn't even appeal. Look at him, he just went through the celebrations. He knew that was plumb in front. He's been lining the batsman, bowling that slow through the air. This one's a bit quicker. Khurram has to depart for 15. It's 78 for 8.
Was going, and just an inside edge at the last second saved him. How close is this? Close enough. Height was probably the issue, but Sandeep, he won. Full, straight, gone. Nothing that Khurram Shahzad could do about that. They're dancing in the background, and the Nepali flags, they are flying. It's a slightly quicker leg break from Lamachani. It's maybe kept a bit low. He's got trapped on the crease. Sandeep has 3. I think he's thinking of 5.
Yes, this was a bit flatter through the air, plumb in front. Easy decision for the umpire. Sandeep Lamichan didn't even appeal. Look at him, he just went through the celebrations. He knew that was plumb in front. He's been lining the batsman, bowling that slow through the air. This one's a bit quicker. Khurram has to depart for 15. It's 78 for 8. Again, smart bowling, a googly, bowled by Sandeep Lamachani. Beautifully done by Gulshan Jha. I bet that was cleanly taken.
The way Dipendra was celebrating, he would have got a good look, and you can see there, it's cleanly taken. No doubts there. What a catch there by Gulshan, bringing those long legs and long levers into play. That looks clean to me.
Even they didn't do with something with the bat. They've definitely done in the field. Gulshan Jha, Bhim Sharkey, Dipendra Singh Airi, even Arif Sheikh, who took a catch on slips.
Look at the way where he has taken Paresh. He has run a good 30 yards from the boundary line, waiting for the, and it's the red signal. That's done. 10 wickets down for Qatar. They've been all out for 89 as Nepal march into the semi-finals. There you go, Sandeep kisses the pitch, thanks the Mother Earth. Another 5 wicket haul, the third one for him.